good morning. So I'm on my way to none other than the Container Store this morning. I have a client on Thursday, and the Container Store has the products that I need, as they always do. But I usually go to the one in the Galleria, which is not too far from me. Now I'm going to the one in Baybrook, which is about 45 minutes from me. So it's a good drive to get some products, which is pretty normal. I am literally so used to this to where sometimes I have to go to all 4 Container Stores for one client. And there's 4 in the Houston area, Houston outside city areas. So there's an accident. So yeah, I need to put on some chapstick, because this is utterly ridiculous. I'm putting on my least favorite chapstick. Delicious. But yeah, I'm on my way there. I have a few bins I'm gonna be picking up. They're really pretty bins. I don't think I've used these bins in a client's house. Yeah, I don't think I have. So I'm excited for that. I'm also gonna be picking up some jewelry organizers. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know where I ended, but basically what I was saying is that for me, time is so important to me. And even though having a business does not have me rich, it does not have me being able to afford things, a lot of things, at least that I would like to afford, vacation, bags, handbags, shoes. I'm getting there. I know I'm gonna get there. I'm working at it, but I would never change anything. Me going out on my own and saying I'm gonna go rescue my space to another level and dedicate more time to it and effort is something that I chose to do. Regardless, you know, I have my degrees. Yes, I can go back to work. I have my experience. And if push came to shove, I can always go back. But that's not my life. I can't do that to myself anymore. I can't. I'm worth more than that. So, ew. Enough of that. I've pretty much taken up so much space in my SIM card or SD card. Like, it keeps shutting off, and it's as if it doesn't want me to talk about this anymore. So I'm gonna leave it alone. So I'm in the Container Store looking for some jewelry organizers, and I caught myself here in this area looking at some shoe organizers, which I'm always looking at, because I don't know, there's always a particular shoe organizer I'm looking for, and I just can't seem to find it. I may just have to make it. But yeah, I got some jewelry organizers down here. So just some options. I always get more than needed, just to make sure we have enough, because when we don't have enough, I have to go back to the store and buy. That's not the goal. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go back and look at it again. Hello, I'm back, wet and all. It took me about an hour and a half to get home, which, ugh, because it's raining, everyone doesn't know how to drive, so, but I'm home now. I have my coffee. This just makes me happy. It's really hot. And I'll also be I'm going to my esthetician. I've been going to her for, how old am I? Maybe about 10 years. And my skin is it's horrible. Past few months has been extremely stressful. So my skin always reacts to stress. And granted, I haven't been eating the best, but I am like due for just everything. She's gonna do a Vibroderm, which is similar to a microderm, just less abrasive. And I'm sure she's gonna be popping some of these pimples that need to be popped. So, and probably do like a mini chemical peel, which is something that I do all the time. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen today. I was like, do you have any availability? I was asking her or her assistant if she had any availability tomorrow. She was like, no. I was like, today? She's like, yeah. Like, what time? It's like 4:30. I'm like, you know what? I have a lot of work to do, but I'm gonna have to do this impromptu visit, because I always say when my eyes are so tired. Whenever I feel, or when I don't feel my best, I must always take care of it and do some self-care. So today is the day for that. At least just one part of it, which is going to get my skin taken care of. So at least the first steps to getting my skin taken care of. Of course, I need to eat better. I need to exercise. I need to take my vitamins, which I know she's going to be telling me to do or asking me about. I'm going to tell her, no, I haven't taken them. Like fish oil, but, or flaxseed oil, since I don't eat fish. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, at least in a few hours. So I'm going to try to get some work done. I'm going to get some work done, make sure everything is intact. I actually have a call at 4, so I have this at 4:30, so I'll just take my call in the car. It's a potential, I can't even talk, guys. I can never talk. Whew. So I actually have a call at 4, and with a potential or prospect client, which is great. And then I have to be there at 4:30, so I'll leave here maybe a little bit before 4 so I can get on that call in my car, and then I'm sure it'll take about less than 30 minutes, and then I'll be at my appointment. Time planning. So yeah, let me get to work. This is what, step 1? Hello, so I'm back and I'm feeling a little bit better. It was just good talking to her, kind of just discussing what's going on, and her giving me her advice, which is honestly always good advice. So pretty much going back to the basics when it comes to my skincare. So I had to buy these items right here. Those 2 bad boys. These are items that I've always used for many years, but I kind of stopped because my skin was doing so well. So to me, I was like, okay, I don't have to spend so much money on skincare. I can kind of use milder products, but my skin said, hell no. So I got my usual cleanser, acne lotion, and those are probably the best products that she has. I also use this exfoliating powder whenever I want to exfoliate, maybe about once a week. And I've had that for over like 8 months, and it's still great. So yeah, this is what my skin looks like. Well, it's not as shiny as I thought it would be, but she kind of did the Vibroderm. As you saw, my skin was like white because she's pretty much removing the first layer of skin. So that was all like dead skin on my face. And then she tried to pop some of these pimples. This one's a stubborn one, the one here. And actually a lot of them are very deep pimples, like cystic pimples. So she couldn't take those out. But she then put on top of it a very mild, chemical peel with some TCA serum and a lot of other things. And then she put sunscreen on top of that. So I did tell her I may be going out. Well, I am going out tonight, and I wanted to wear makeup. She said it was okay, but just cleanse your skin well. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. it was just good kind of seeing her and chatting with her. We just chat about anything and everything. So yeah, and I'll be back in a month. I'm gonna be consistent and create a routine with my skincare again. So I'm excited about that. But anywho, I'm about to get ready to go to this dinner. I'm actually gonna stop at Whole Foods with Anthony, and we're gonna see if I can find some vitamins that she always recommends. So we're gonna stop there, and then we're gonna head to Cheesecake Factory. So I'll catch you guys in there. And these are vegan. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! He's cute.
Okay, cool.
Boston. Oh,
Bradley Mountain's like smells like a hot. It's kind of like pine. Yeah. To me. I'm not sure. I don't think so though. I think he's still upstairs.
That was his name. Bradley.
You know, I may not hate that. I'm like, will I like it in the long run?
So what we'll do,
I might do those two then.
these cotton wicks that we have out, and they burn really, really hot to heat up the wax. So since you're using a glass vessel, we just want you to be safe so that it doesn't and smell it. Make sure you like the blend. If not, we can scratch it and start over.
Okay. So just
Yeah, you can kind of pour that. And if you want to pour the wax, you can pour it too. It's a little bit hot.
You can do it. You'll do it. I trust you better.
So yeah, we pour this at 120 degrees. So it's warm. It's not gonna like burn you if it gets on you, but it's a good temp. It actually helps the oils, the actual chemicals, to like literally explode, and it makes it come out a lot stronger whenever you're burning it later.
Oh, cool.
So just pour it?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
And then this wood will stand up.
Yeah, we have little gadget things that hold them
right.
up while it solidifies.
A lot of cute stuff here. Just walking around. We're just admiring everything they have. So cute. They're like, I'm gonna buy you what I want you to have. Like what?
Okay. Wow, I'm getting this and framing it. My bucket list is pretty short, but my bucket list keeps growing.
You know what?
I'm getting this and framing it. Boom.
That's a good one.
I know.
You would get it.
Yes.
What is this one?
I have one friend that says, I have a serious case of not being Beyonce. Oh, someone in Houston loves you. I wish I could text my dog.
You're such a dog. My God.
Like, hi, Hendrix, you miss mommy?
He's like, no.
No, actually, yes.
You sure?
Oh, yeah, he is a mama's boy.
Aw.
Ooh.
Oh, cute. It looks so real. It It does smell good. This is my kind of thing. Hi, I would love some.
Got iced power punch, lemon lime's a black tea blend, and then we have a caffeine-free cinnamon.
I'll do the power punch because it's red.
Yeah. Hibiscus and red.
Yeah, it's like that mixture.
Yeah.
Is it good? I'll taste it.
Like lemon. It tastes like lemongrass. I love lemon.
Let me see.
It's like,
Yeah,
if you like lemon.
it's very lemon. It's good. It's good. I'm trying to get into tea.
From coffee?
Yes, from coffee. I know it's so hard.
But I would like some tea, but I can't
Do-
replace my...
That's the thing. I can't replace it. It's really cute in here, though. I love how everything's like categorized and.
Oh! You get your...
Oh yeah.
You give me life?
See, I'm getting horny. Hold on.
An organization.
Like a name, and then
And that's me.
my space.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello. I wanted to make sure I ended the video properly. Yesterday was great. Yeah, after we left, I pretty much went home and relaxed. Actually, I went to go see one of my friends who just had her baby. And then that was pretty much the end of the night. So now it's the next day. I'm working. I'm in the office. It's a Monday. I love Mondays. And yeah, just looking forward to the week and what the week has in store for me. Well, yeah. So again, I want to end this video properly, and I hope to bring you some more vlogs just to show you a glimpse of what I do on a daily basis or just parts of my life. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Oh, can you see the back? Look, I installed the Rescue My Space sign finally. Okay, bye.